Most people have never tasted a paella that made them close their eyes. This one will. Octopus, smoked, paprika, saffron, and a socarrat so crispy. You'll hear it across the table. Let me show you exactly how we make it. Here's what you'll need for 3 portions. Fresh octopus, this is the star. Onion, garlic, a good tomato sauce. Smoked paprika, don't skip this. It's what gives the broth its soul. Paella mix, saffron threads, 900 milliliters of seafood stock, and 300 grams of our paella rice. Simple ingredients, but the technique, that's where the magic happens. First things first, the octopus needs to be pre-cooked. Fire up your paella burner. In goes the onion and garlic. Let them go slow. We want them soft and sweet, not burned. You'll smell it when ready. Now, the tomato sauce. Let it reduce for a couple of minutes. We want to cook the acidity out. Then, and this is the moment, the smoked paprika. Add it, stir quickly, and don't let it burn. It goes from amazing to bitter in seconds. Then the paella, mix in with it. You're building layers of flavor here, and the pan should be smelling absolutely incredible right now. 900 milliliters of seafood stock. Pour it in and watch the color bloom. Now, before it gets too hot, in go the saffron threads. I like to add them to the warm stock rather than boiling. This way, they release their color and fragrance gently, not aggressively. Give the pan a shake, never stir, always shake, and let it come up to a gentle boil. 300 grams of paella rice. Pour it in an even cross or line across the pan. Then let the stock do its job and carry it around. From this point on, no stirring. Paella rice is not risotto. Stirring releases starch and kills the socarrat. And we are not killing the socarrat today. High heat for the first 8 minutes. Then we'll drop it down off the heat. Now we tilt the pan gently and listen for that crispy base lifting. Beautiful. Plate it on our signature dish, making sure you get a good portion of that golden socarrat facing up. This isn't just a paella. This is a conversation starter. This is why we do this. If you want to cook this at home, everything you need, the paella rice, the saffron, the paella mix, even the pan, is at iwantpaella.eu. Link in the description. Subscribe if you haven't. We drop a new recipe every week. And if you tried this one, leave a comment below. Happy paelling.